Hello everybody, it's Start with Sue from New Edbox and welcome to your 20th HTML tutorial. Yes guys, this is a milestone that I finally reached, so I've been working on it and I'm really proud of it. Okay, guys, so thanks for sticking with me for 20 tutorials in a row. I promise that there will be a bunch of them coming in the very near future. And just a very short glimpse, maybe an off-topic thing that some of you guys were wondering, in fact, that why I'm keeping this white backboard behind my back, and why do you get the white background just behind me? It's like a few inches from my back. The trick and very neat thing, what's the reason of this white backboard behind my back is that it reflects the lightning, and that's why you can see all the view where I'm in this very small square, and why you can see the full text. And it reflects the lightning and gives you a better view once you want to see my face. So that's the reason why I have this whiteboard behind my back, guys. And okay, guys, so milestone tutorial and milestone subject, in fact, that I want to cover during this tutorial. And this tutorial will cover a couple of quite interesting things and features that you can build on your website. And those features are drop-down lists. I'm sure that you even have encountered the drop-down lists in the past while you were visiting, let's say, some sort of a shopping website or any sort of any other websites where they had drop-down lists built in. So now, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to build those drop-down lists yourself. So without me talking too much, let's get started with it. Okay, guys, so now let's build the form, and that form will be much more simple than we had in our previous tutorial. Form action equals to value 0, and now we have to give them our browser value of items that we want to place in our drop-down list. So select name. Let's put it in what do you want to have. Let's say fruits. Okay. I think fruits will be quite a politically correct item to have. And let's put the options. The next thing that we have to build is the options, and those options will be the values that will be displayed in our drop-down list. And now in the value, let's put an apple. Let's put apple here as the text. Option is also double, has opening and closing tags, so don't forget to type it in. So now we have first item on our drop down list. So we could build the full list. Let's just copy this entire row, paste it in, and let's paste it in, let's say 7 times. Okay, I have 6, so now it's 7, and let's change the value of it. Now we have to use our imagination. Banana. Let's build it here. Let's put in some pears. Pears here. Peaches. Okay, I'm just testing my own imagination how fast I will run out of the items. Okay, peaches. What else can we have here? What type of a fruit? Quick, watermelon. Watermelon. Next one. Then What else can we have as a delicious fruit? Cherry. Here, cherry 2, and a plum. I will put a plum. Funny word for little kids. Okay, so let's save it, and we should have the full drop-down list now. But the last thing that we have to do, of course, is to close the select parameter, because the select parameter is also does also have the closing tag. So there we go, guys. There we have it. Now I'm gonna run that bit of a code on my screen. So there we have it. It's a full drop-down list with the items on that list that what we have: apple, banana, pear, peaches, watermelon, cherry, and plum. What a delicious list. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you one more neat trick how to build a drop-down list with a pre-selected value, and that is going to be quite... Oh my goodness, guys, I can see that I didn't close the form tag, because this was not supposed to happen. Okay, guys, now we have all good housekeeping done, because it was before it was without a closing tag. Now everything's working fine. Okay, guys, so next thing that I'm gonna teach you right now is the form with the pre-selected value, because by default our browsers are taking the first value that that our browser would see in the list, and in our case this is an apple. So if we want to give some pre-selected value in our drop-down list, we have to tell our browser that we want that value to be as the pre-selected value. So let's say, guys, that we want to put in the value of peaches as the pre-selected value, as the first value that we would expect our browser to display. So what we have to do here is we have to type it in a word selected. Selected equals selected. And after doing that, guys, our browser will by default pick the first value that will have the parameter of selected, and in our case it will be peaches. So let's go ahead and see how does it look like practically. So I'm just refreshing the browser and nothing happens. And why the heck is this not? Okay, guys, I'm just checking whether everything is okay. Did I save the document? I think I did, but I'm just looking. I'm not gonna pause the video so you would see the live blooper just right here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna reduce the space because we don't need the spacing here. Okay, boys and girls, sorry for this one, but I'm still not getting it, and I don't know what's happening. It should have the pre-selected value of peaches. Well, guys, if I run this that bit of a code as a new web, it gives me already the desired result, having peaches as a pre-selected value. So everything seems to be fine in our code. So that's about it for this tutorial, guys. I just wanted to teach you how to make a basic drop-down list, and how to make a drop-down list with the pre-selected value if you want some value to be displayed on your drop-down list once your user opens your website. Okay, guys, so that's about it. Thank you for sticking with me already for the 20th tutorial, and in the next tutorials I will be covering quite interesting subject, and that subject will be adjustable text areas and the buttons that you can build on your website. So thanks again, guys. Hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon.